Hi guys.
Raynel, kayo po yung...
Hi guys. So I'll just going to update you. I'm having Yakult, and I'm updating you. My AC is now 20. Okay. Ewan ko kung pwede pang gawin 90. No, hanggang 20 na lang siya. Yan na yung pinakamalamig na part. Plus, I have that fan with a cooler. Naka-cooler na yan siya. Sobrang init guys. As in, grabe ang init. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Let's check the weather. Weather in UAE now. It's 36 degrees. Feels like 55. Ayun na. Kita ba? Feels like 55. So imagine guys, the weather is too hot. So naglagay na rin ako ng bucket of water outside kasi grabe yung init. And then I closed the door kasi actually inopen ko yun kanina kasi para yung AC sa buong bahay ma-cover up. Since isang AC lang yung gumagana sa buong bahay, hindi yata kaya. So mula umaga ko na siyang inopen pero mainit pa rin talaga. So I better close the door para kahit papano dito sa kwarto is malamig. So the time na naglinis kasi ako ng bahay, I mean naglinis ako ng floor. So the time maliit lang yung area, and then sobrang grabe yung init, pinagpapawisan ako. So nakatutok na yung electric fan sa akin, pero tulo talaga yung pawis, as in grabe yung init. So I don't know where are you now, kung dyan sa inyo is mainit. Here in UAE it's too hot. So let's see if tonight malamig na or what. Pero for sure mainit pa din siya. Pero guys, FYI, ang bilis ng oras. As in, mabilis yung oras nowadays. So, I don't know why. Sana umulan naman. Diba? Yung sa Pilipinas, grabe yung ulan. Sana umulan naman here. Kasi sobra talagang init. Anyways, yun lang. I had this Dunkin' milk tea. Tapioca. Ano? Yung ube flavor, and then Dunkin' Donuts. Nuggets. Nuggets. Yung maliliit na tawag dito. Yeah. And then I'm watching Tulfo. And I'm watching movies and whatsoever. So now I want to relax. So just drying my hair. And again, dinner. Hindi na ako siguro magdi-dinner. And movie. And sleep. Yun lang guys. Update. Bye.